Hey guys, so in this video, I'll open this LOL Pearl surprise! I'm so happy! This is so cute, by the way. This is the wave one. The color is turquoise or Tosca maybe. So let's open! Listen to this, guys. I love this sound so much. Look at how sparkle! And I want to cut this to open the LOL Pearl surprises. Are you ready? So let's open. Oh my god, it's a bit so hard. Look at it. There's 6 surprises here.
Me first! Hey, over here! Unbox me!
So let's open the first surprise here. So let's see what inside this. That's a shirt! Oh my god, this is so cute. They have a 2 seashell there. Next surprises! We got a bikini! Oh my goodness! This is so small and really cute. And next surprise. Let's see. Wow! We got a skirt! Oh my god, they have a metallic pink here and Tosca color. The 4th surprise here. Let's see what inside this one. Oh my god, this is another bikini. Next, the 5th surprise here. Let's see what inside this. Oh my god, that's a white shoe. This is really cute. So, and this is last surprise here. We got another shoe. Oh my goodness, the color is really nice. Okay, let's see the second layer. Oh my god,
Dunk me! Dunk me!
oh my goodness. I really love this one. But this is a little bit heavy, but no problem. I really love the color. They have a pink and yellow color. So I'm so ready to dunk this one. So next we got, I think this is like a guide for these toys. I don't know. And the last thing we got, the sticker. Yeah, I'm so happy. Oh my god, oh my god. So, I already prepared this water to dunk the bath bomb to look what's inside that. So first, I want to open the plastic. And then, are you ready guys? So, let's dunk! Oh my god! Listen to this sound. OMG, the color is really nice. They have a gradation here, the yellow and the pink. Oh my goodness. Okay, I want to dry this one first. Let's see what inside this seashell. They have a blind bag here. Oh my god, I'm speechless of that. And this is the first blind bag, and this is a bit wet, and I want to dry this one with the tissue first. And that's what inside this one. That's the bottle of the sister. Oh my god, pop! Pop! And let's see the other blind bag here. That's opened. Oh my god. There is a little sister here. Oh my god, look at her hair though. Her hair is pearl color. So, let's see the big sister here. Oh my god, I'm so ready for this. Now let's see. Oh my god. Hey, big sister. Oh my god, she's so cute. So let's put her outfit. How beautiful she is. Look at the dress, look at the skirt, look at her shoe. Oh my god, I love this one so much. I really. Next, let's try the bikini.
Oh my god, I forget to wearing my skirt. Okay, I will be back.
Okay, I'm back. Sorry guys. So yeah, I think that's all for today's video. By the way, thank you so much for all of you watch this video, and I want to say sorry because my English is so bad because I'm still learning and I'm still practice. So yeah, see you on my next videos. Bye bye.